Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove blank row or column in Microsoft Excel. For example, I have a messy data like that and I want to clean it up to be better looking and to make data more tidy. You can see our data is so messy, we have a lot of blank row or column like that, you can see. So this is we call column, this is we call row, you can see. So I have a messy row, you can see I have a lot of empty row. So if we delete one by one, we have to select one by one, example like that, and we have to right click and click delete, and I have to do this action for all empty row. You can see a lot of stuff for us to do, so it wastes our time. So I will show you, just spend for some second to do the clean up our data. Okay, the first we have to select any data we want to clean up. Okay, select from here, select to the bottom, just drag Ctrl Shift and arrow key down. Okay, all data is selected, both blank data or any data. It select all, you can see. Okay, we go home, you can see in home here, and we go to like one and selection and go to special, you can see in here. For this condition, we have to select blank. You can see any blank cell. If we select for us, okay, click OK. So we can see all the blank cell. It will be selected. Okay, now all blank cell already selected. You can see. So we no need to select one by one. So it will automatically select for all blank cell. Okay. So I right click on that. I click delete. Okay, we can see delete table row. You can see. If I click delete table row, the blank row will be deleted. Okay, I click on that. You can see all blank already deleted. So we have a good data right now. So any empty or blank cell already deleted. Okay, you can see. We can make a table somehow simple like that. It's very nice now. You can see. How about how to remove the column, the blank column? Okay, I will show you another sheet. Okay, you can see here we have this column, this column, this column, this column. But for example, it is just a small example. If we have a lot of column, so we have to delete one by one. Select one, and delete. We have to select all. So in here, in case we have a lot of column, we have to delete. We just select on that. Just arrow Control Shift arrow key to select all. Find and select. We also can click on here, so go to special. You can see it is faster than before. We select blank. If we select this one, you can see select this one, select this one, this one, and this one. This one is not selected. We select only two column D and column G. You can see the color is different, right? Different from other column. So we just right click, delete. It will ask us what cell or row we want to delete. Okay, we want to delete like this is a column. As I told you, it is column, so I will delete in 3 column. You can see here. So before we do this job, we have to understand what is row and what is a column. So this is called column. Okay, I delete empty column. You can see all empty column already deleted. So we have a nice data right now. So we just spend about few seconds, we can clean up our data. I hope this video can help you to clean up your data, to organize your data. Is very well looking, well prepared for the job. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.